Live now. Hey, what's up? This is George Shamon. I want to welcome you to this live stream. It's about how to learn Linux and how to use its command line interface. If you have any questions, submit it in a comment. And if you're on this live stream, I want to thank you so much for joining. If you will be on a future replay, I also want to thank you. You can submit a question right now or in the future, and I will do my best to answer you as soon as I can. So just when you tune in, let me know if you're here, you can hear me, and where you tuning in from. Are you in the US? If so, what state are you tuning in from? If you're overseas, let me know what country are you tuning in from. Again, this is about the Linux and how to use Linux and its command line interface. It's a general video question and answers about Linux. If you're starting new or if you're a Linux user and you're interested in learning more, I have a course. I added the link in the description. I'm given a big discount on it now. It's 92%. It's the best discount. It's one-time fee. The price will drop from $97 to $7.70. So if you're interested, check out the link and let me know if you have any questions. Again, this is George Shamon. I'm coming to you live on this Sunday afternoon. It's almost 6:30 afternoon Eastern Standard Time. So let me know if you have any questions. Where you tuning in from? What's your name? And what questions do you have? So I will try to help you as much as I can. Linux is a great skills to have, and the sky is the limit. It's once you start, you can keep learning, and with the basic, knowing the basics command, you can do a lot of activity. You can create a lot of, you can retrieve a lot of information. You can even if you know the first to start with learning the file commands, file directory commands, how to navigate the system, how to create a file. You need to learn about the permissions so you can stop. Hey, welcome. Thank you for joining. Are you in a yacht? No, I am not. I am home outdoors. Kate McGee, welcome. Hi. Maya, Mayank, are you on a yacht? No. Guys, I'm talking about Linux and how to learn Linux. If you're interested how to learn Linux, let me know if you have any questions. And I added a link in the description. And I'm giving you 90% off on this course if somebody is interested to learn Linux or you're ready to, just go to the link and add the coupon code at checkout, and it will diminish the price from 92 US dollars to 7.7. It's one-time fee. This is the lowest price. It's very cheap. If you're interested, and you can ask me questions, you can send me messages, and I will get it. I will reply to you. As this is for beginners, I'm not advanced, and this course is not for advanced levels, like programmers, systems programmers. And so it's, yeah. SK Dev said hi, welcome. Thank you for joining, guys. Say, are you learning Linux? Do you have Linux installed? Do you use it at work or at home? Maziag Azug, bonjour, welcome. Thank you for joining. Said hi, I am a social media marketer and designer. How can Linux help me? Okay, so Linux is an operating system, just like you use Mac OS. If you have an Apple Mac, if you have Windows, you're gonna be using Windows, Microsoft, like Windows 10, Windows 11. I don't know if they have 12 now. So Linux is an operating system. So I don't know. That's a good question, but I'm not sure if it's gonna help you. I am social. If it can help anybody if you if you're using a computer, you're using a computer for social media and to access social media accounts and to do work on it. So it's, you know, you can have an operating system running, a computer running Linux. I need money. What I do? Okay, you know, if you need money, you have to learn a skill that you can offer to people. You know, and if you have knowledge, you create a course and sell it very cheap. If you're starting new, there's a lot of competition. So to get into the market, Gorash Yazdian, hi, welcome. Thank you for joining. So yeah, let me know if you have any question. Do you have Linux installed? It's an operating system. In case you're wondering what's Linux, it's an operating system. So yeah, you have to learn a skill, and to be honest, I haven't been making money online. I've been around for long, but it's not easy. But you have to start somewhere, and you want to see where people are spending money. You learn a skill and you sell a service. I think having a service, offering service to people, you know, if you know people, you can offer a service. Just let them know what you do. You know, it's not easy. There's a lot of competition, but you have to start somewhere, and you have to grind. You know, you have to talk to people. You have to be online. You have to make videos. But I don't have a family. Okay, even if you don't have a family, just get on YouTube, get on any social media, and start making content and videos about topics you know about service you can offer. What are you in? What field are you in? Are you in a specific field? What's your everybody have some kind of skills and some kind of knowledge, whether at the job or outside the job. Everybody have some kind of knowledge. You know what field are you in? Yeah, McGee. What field are you in? Are you a student? Are you working now? What industry are you in? This is how you start. You start with yourself. What do you know? What information? What topics you know about? I mean, you don't have to be an expert, but you have to like the topics. If you don't like the topic, do not get into it. People will know right away that you're after the money only. I mean, all of us are after the money, but you have to have some kind of passion and some you have to like the topic you're talking about to help someone. You know, this is how you learn, and this is how you evolve, if that makes sense to you. So yeah, any questions, any about learning Linux commands? If you want to talk about another topic, which is okay, we can talk about it. You know, it doesn't have to be Linux. You know, it can be about other software and software as a service that I can talk about, I can cover on this channel. So yeah. And also make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're still around. You know, people are coming in and out, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. I need to grow it, and I need your help. No, I don't have. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. Sure, yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. Anybody else have any questions? Let me just see if somebody jump back here. Yeah. Questions, comments about learning Linux or another topics on this channel. I talk about Linux commands. I talk about screencasting, how to screencasting, how to record your screen. I talk about video editing. Video editing, I'm not very good at it, but you know, I mean, you don't have to be an expert to do certain or talk about certain topic or certain ideas, but make sure you let people know that you know you're not claiming as an expert. Yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I need to grow it, and I need your help. And the more I grow it, the more I make videos like these, the more I talk to people and answer questions. So where are you from? Right now, I am coming to you live from the US state of Florida. I am originally from the Middle East. I am Lebanese. I speak Arabic. So, where are you guys coming from? Where are you tuning in from? Are you in the US or overseas, what country are you from? You speak what? I speak Arabic. Arabic, Arabic, Arabic. Arabic, yeah. I am from Lebanon originally, so I speak Arabic. Oh, أنا كمان عربي. Okay, good. That's good to know. Where are you tuning in from, Mazig Azug? Where are you tuning? Are you in the US or overseas? Where are you from? Just interested to know where you're tuning in from. Yeah. Anybody else have any questions? Aish. What Aish? Aish. Oh, okay. عايش في Canada. Okay, okay. عايش في Canada. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. That's good to know. Yeah. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you for joining. Yeah. Who else? Do you use Linux? Do you have it installed and you're interested in learning it? Let me know. So if you have any questions, I guess you're interested in a way to make money. Okay. Yeah. Who said? Somebody said there in social media. I need money. What do I do? Oh, okay. Somebody else said I am social media marketer. How can Linux help me? Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I want to grow it, and I need your help. You know, I only have 1350 subscribers. I need to raise this number. لا من عندي سؤال شكرا كثيرا. You're welcome, no problem. If you don't have any question, that's fine. Thank you for your time tuning in. I do appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah. Anybody else have any questions? We don't have a lot of people, just a couple people, but people will be tuning in and out. راح اشترك. Okay, welcome. Thank you. Thank you. I need your help. Yes, thank you. I do appreciate that. I will have, if you subscribe, I will have 1353, I think. I just checked 1352. Yeah, so yeah, you need to it's good to learn a skill. It's just offer a service. تمام الله يساعدك. Thank you, thanks. Yeah, who else? Anyone else? Questions, comments? Let me know where you're tuning in from, what you're interested in, what do you like to learn about. So on this video, I'm talking about how to learn Linux, but we can talk about other software and software as a service. So yeah, there are a lot of skills you can learn. You know, anything with YouTube can help you make money. If you make YouTube, if you're good in graphics and you make thumbnails for YouTubers like myself and others, you know, they can pay you money for that. You know, if you get subscribers, this is marketing. You know, people can pay you for this. You know, so let's see. I'm back. I didn't know I can leave the live stream and come back. That's very interesting. Yeah, guys, make sure you submit a question. This is a two-way conversation. I'm talking about Linux, how to use Linux commands or how to learn it. So you can ask me questions. So yeah, Linux is an operating system, you know. So basically, if you have, let's say you have two computers at home, you don't want to buy two Windows operating system, even though every computer will have its own operating system. But sometimes they expire or they start needing updates, and then you're forced to buy another, operating system like Windows. If you had Windows 8, 8.1, I have Windows 8.1. It works, but it does not run a lot of softwares, and it tells you need to upgrade to Windows 10 or higher. So this is an example. When you have more than one computer, if you want to keep one running Windows, which is fine, but if you want to run two Windows, and then you'll be paying money for two operating system with the same, you know, it's like a duplicate. So having Linux is for free. You can install it on any computer. It runs on most computers, and it's got a desktop and server edition. So if you're a home user, end user, you're not in the IT and the networking field, and you're not a server administrator, you can install it at home and use it as an end user. And if you use Linux, Ubuntu, like myself, I use Ubuntu. Ubuntu is very is user friendly. Ubuntu and Mint. Linux Mint is great, and the Linux Ubuntu, they have the graphical user interface, and then from the graphical user interface you can access the command line. So you can learn the command line too. So anyone else have any questions? Anyone using Linux, let me know. Questions, comments? All right, I guess no questions coming in. Okay, so yeah, again, we're talking about Linux, how to use Linux and its command line interface. If you're a Linux user, or if you want to learn Linux, let me know so I can help you with answering some of your questions. And if you're looking for a course, online course, let me know. I added a link in the description, and there's a discount. You can use it. It's a 92% off discount from a course that's $97. That will be 7.70. It's very cheap, just $7 to $8. Questions, comments? Anyone else? All right, I guess nobody have any questions, so I'll give you one more minute. If there is no questions in the next 1 minute, I will wrap up the session. I will I will finish the video because I don't see any people submitting questions to help him. And this is a two-way conversation, you know. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Because this is a two-way conversation. I'm here to teach you and help you how to get started with using Linux and using Linux commands. So anyone else have any questions? All right. With that said, I want to end the video. If you have any questions, let me know and I will try to answer you. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next video.